Did you know the US government once became the largest gun trafficker in American history by accident? Operation Fast and Furious was supposed to track weapons to Mexican cartels. Instead, from 2009 to 2011, ATF agents were ordered to do the opposite. They watched over 2,000 assault rifles and handguns get sold to obvious straw buyers and did absolutely nothing. Supervisors literally told agents to stand down when they spotted illegal purchases happening right in front of them. The plan was to follow the guns to cartel leaders, but they lost track of every single weapon. Those guns started showing up at over 200 violent crime scenes, including the murder of Border Patrol agent Brian Terry. Whistleblower agents had to secretly record their own supervisors to prove this insane operation even existed. They risked their entire careers to expose the truth. Today, hundreds of those assault rifles are still missing, somewhere in cartel hands. A law enforcement operation designed to stop gun trafficking became the biggest government-sponsored gun trafficking case in history.